She can literally dance her way into your hearts. Sonali, so nice to see you here at India Web Fest 2018. How does it feel?
Thank you. It feels amazing. I'm really excited for our discussion. Really looking forward to it.
What are the specific points that you will be touching upon?
Well, I haven't really prepared something, but then yeah, of course, it's a female-centric topic, and I know what are the advantages and disadvantages I have over male creators, so I have a lot to talk about that, yes.
You are a digital phenomenon. How do you see the progress of digital medium in India, and what can you expect from the digital entity in the days to come here in India?
I think currently it's way better than how it was earlier, and specifically dance has evolved now a lot more than it was. So singers had great opportunities. Currently it's the face for dancers, so I'm really happy, and I feel it's just going to grow up. I mean, it's going to grow really huge, because nowadays I think TV is not the big thing, it's the internet and the web.
So do you think a time will come when digital will take over?
I am sure of it, 100%, because I don't watch TV anymore. Not at all. I'm a true YouTuber.
One dance type that you can teach for all our viewers right now. What is the best move?
Best move? Well, there are various moves, but to teach right now, do you want to learn? Okay, so we have Garba season coming. You want to learn that? Yeah, of course. So we could learn one Garba step. So it's a very basic one. You need to step right foot front and then go back. Step your left again and right and back. And you can take your hands up, go back and clap. One, and that's it.
You are amazing. All right. Jaane se pehle, what would you like to tell IWM Buzz for hosting this amazing conclave?
This is really amazing. This should happen more often, and it creates awareness to people, and where we are going with the whole digital platform and how important it is to focus on female creators and everything. It's really good.
Thank you, Sonali, and wish you all the very best. Lovely talking. Thank you.